Act second. Edward second, Act second, scene first. We have already finished Act first, all the scenes, where we have studied about Edward II, the King of England at that time, who has been fond of his friend named Gaveston. Although Gaveston was banished in France by his father, the old king, but when he became the king, oh, Smita joined. Edward II, Act second, scene first. No, we have finished first part of Act one, in which a short summary I am giving that Gaveston was the friend of Edward II. Although he was banished from his father, the old king, but when he became the king of England, he was recalled. But the barons were not satisfied, not happy. That's why they uh, hold held a meeting and decided that he should be rebanished. So therefore he was rebanished. But again, with the interference of the Queen Isabella, this order of rebanishment was cancelled. So now it seems that everything is okay. Now it is everything that has been settled. There is no problem, but there will be problem because the king is quite different. He will be again engaged with his friend Gaveston, and likely he will not pay any attention to his official works. So from there we have to start. Now the second scene, first scene of Act Second, intersection young Spencer and Baldock, and actually the setting has changed. So these are two servants in the house of Gloucester. We have already discussed this. Gloucester was also the one of the earl in that country, and after the death of Gloucester, his heir, a lady, was going to be the earl. So therefore, she was to marry with his friend Gaveston, and Gaveston was already gifted with so many posts, so many powers. He was invested, and there was chance that he may misuse these offices, the powers that were given to him. So now these two people are talking about themselves, Baldock and a Spencer. A Spencer, seeing that our Lord, the Earl of Gloucester's dead, which of the noblest dost thou mean to serve? Again, the same thing is going on. As this whole drama dominantly in Machiavellian character, the Gaveston is of Machiavelli character. Next, young Mortimer is the Machiavelli character. Their whole and sole objective was to occupy power. So therefore, the way may be different, but the objective was same, that how to occupy the power. So that's why even the people in that rule, they have also developed Machiavellian character. And these two people, the Baldock and Spencer, those who are servant, who are on lower post, they are thinking in the same way that how to occupy power. Because they are not in a position to occupy power, that's why they are talking about themselves that how to be influential, how to be affected by, and they are suggesting each other due to flattery we can influence ourselves. Flattery means chaploosi, no? So they are making plan how to flatter the alls and how to get the money, property, and influence. So now Gloucester is dead, one of the earl in that country. So what to whom to serve? Young Spencer replies, not Mortimer, nor any of his side, because the king and he are enemies. See, he is not going to serve the Mortimer. Why? The reason is quite clear, because there is animosity between the king and Mortimer, and there is no benefit. So, where the benefit is there, he should serve the people. Baldock, learn this of me, a factious lord shall hardly do himself good, much less us. But he hath the favour of a king, may with one word advance us while we live. The liberal Earl of Cornwall is the man on whose good fortune Spencer's hope depends. Because they are trying to serve the people, the person who is influential. And today in this country, only Gaveston is influential. He has only the power. So it is better to serve Gaveston rather to serve Mortimer, because Mortimer has taken animosity with the king, and king is not serious, not happy with him. So he will lose his power. So there is no benefit to live with him, to serve with him. So it is better to serve Gaveston. See, this is the wind blowing, that they have decided to serve Gaveston because Gaveston is going to be powerful. और जिसकी ताकत है उसी को सेवा करने में फायदा है. देखो, even the people have changed themselves and they have changed on the pattern of Gaveston. So जैसे Gaveston सर्व कर रहा है, जैसे अपने स्वार्थ के पूरा करने के लिए he is taking recourse of flattering, कि वो मतलब फ्लैटरिंग कर रहा है किंग के साथ में, सबके साथ में. वहां के जो सर्वेंट्स हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग द सेम थिंग, कि जो पावरफुल होगा उसके साथ रहेंगे, और जो किंग के साथ होगा उसके साथ रहेंगे, जो किंग के खिलाफ होगा उसके साथ नहीं रहेंगे. देखो, एक दूसरे को सिखा रहे हैं कि हम लोगों को ईमानदारी सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम लोगों को नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं है, हम लोगों को क्या सीखना है? फ्लैटरिंग सीखना है, ताकि हम पावरफुल हो सके और हम किंग के साथ या जो कोई भी ताकतवर है उसके साथ काम कर सके. Baldock, what mean you then to be his follower? So you will be follower of Gaveston? No, his companion, for he loves me well and would have once preferred me to the king. They are good friends, so that's why that is they are planning that they will serve the Gaveston. But he is banished. There is a small hope on him, as they are informed that Gaveston is banished. But actually, he has been free. He is not banished. His banishment order is cancelled. So, Baldock, he is banished. Who is banished? Gaveston is banished. But it is not the fact. His banishment has been cancelled already. No, there is a small hope of him. Yeah, for a while, but Baldock, mark the end. A friend of mine told me in secrecy that he is repealed and sent for back again. And even now a post came from the court with letters to Our Lady from the king, and as she read, she smiled, which makes me think it is about her lover Gaveston. So it seems that Gaveston's banishment has been repealed and he is coming back. He will be in this country himself. Baldock. It is like enough, for since he was exiled, she neither walks abroad nor comes inside. But I had thought the match had been broke off, and that his banishment has changed her mind. Like, because Isabella is not happy in the presence of Gaveston, Edward the king is always engaged with his friend, not with his wife. So it seems that this marriage has been broken. Whose marriage? The king and the queen. No, but it is not the fact. Young Spencer, Our Lady's first love is not wavering. My life for thine, she will have Gaveston. He is talking actually about their own princess, own mistress, Mrs., that she is going to marry Gaveston. And she is the relative of Edward II, king. No? And the king has declared that this relative of the king will be married to his friend Gaveston. So they are serving the this prince that is going to be married with Gaveston. आपको पहले भी मैंने बताया है कि ये जो गेवेस्टन की शादी किंग ने डिसाइड किया है अपने एक रिलेटिव के साथ. हु इज दैट रिलेटिव? दिस इज दैट लेडी हु इज द डॉटर ऑफ ग्लाउसेस्टर. सो आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ ग्लाउसेस्टर, दिस लेडी इज गोइंग टू बी मैरिड विथ गेवेस्टन. देखो, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ फेवर कि king has already gifted so many posts, so many offices, power, treasuries, everything, and he is also going to marry his relative with his friend Gaveston. So उसी के बारे में they are talking ना. So then hope I by her means to be preferred, having read unto her sins She was a child. Young Spencer, then Baldock, you must cast the scholar off and learn to court it like a gentleman. This is the suggestion by Baldock. He says that there is no though benefit of knowledge, you should check it